What is your country's representative food? Bibimbap is one of Korea's representative dishes. Korean mothers like bibimbap because they can make it easily and it is a nutritious dish. By and large, Koreans eat rice together with side dishes, and there are many kinds of side dishes made from vegetables. So, most Korean families have lots of vegetable dishes in the fridge. Therefore, when mothers don't want to work like a dog to make food, they can come up with a solution to the problem by making bibimbap with the side dishes. They can even make it dirt cheap. I think bibimbap is out of this world. Today, we are going to learn how to make bibimbap. There are 3 things you need to make it. First, get everything you need. Second, make it. Third, eat it. Let's go to my first step. As I said to you before, get everything you need. When you make bibimbap, you need boiled rice, seasoned spinach, seasoned bean sprouts, fried brackens, fried radishes, fried carrots, fried beef, an egg, sesame oil, cooking oil, and hot pepper paste. When you don't have seasoned vegetables, you can make them easily. Boiled vegetables such as spinach and bean sprouts quickly, and mix them with garlic, minced garlic, and soy sauce, not soy sauce, sesame oil, and salt. In the case of brackens, fry brackens, boiled brackens with soy sauce and minced garlic. In the case of carrots and radishes, shred them and then fry them with salt. You can make fried beef easily. Mince meat and then fry it with soy sauce, pepper, and minced garlic. Let's go to my second step. As I already mentioned, make it. First, fry an egg. Sunny, could you help me? Yeah. Please fry eggs. I want to eat sunny side up. Can you make fried eggs? Making fried eggs is very easy. Any Tom, Dick, or Harry can make it easily. Make them easily. Some people make fried eggs for breakfast. One egg is very small, but one fried egg contains 100 calories. You can make many things with eggs. For example, there are fried eggs, scrambled eggs, and boiled eggs. Let's check on egg. Yeah, good. Thank you, Sunny. Scoop boiled rice into a bowl. And then place seasoned spinach, seasoned bean sprout, fried breadcrumbs, fried carrots, fried radishes, and fried beef. And then add sesame oil and hot pepper paste to it. And then place the fried egg on top of it. Do you want to make bibimbap? Come on. Make your bibimbap and enjoy it after this presentation. If you don't like egg, you don't need to have one. If you don't like meat, you can omit it. If you don't like hot pepper paste, you can use soy sauce instead of it. Koreans started to eat bibimbap in 1800s. And there are many kinds of bibimbap, such as wild vegetables bibimbap, sprout bibimbap, bean paste bibimbap, raw fish bibimbap, raw beef bibimbap, and octopus bibimbap. Because every province in Korea has its own style of bibimbap. And you can make many kinds of bibimbap using different ingredients.
No.
How about
This is
yeah, so sesame oil, yeah, and hot pepper paste, yeah, and hot pepper paste, and yeah. How about making bibimbap? Is it difficult?
Yeah, so easy.
Difficult?
No, no.
Let's go to my third step. As I told you before, eat it. Mix the rice with the materials together before eating it. You can eat it together with soup or water kimchi. In conclusion, I think bibimbap is a good dish. Today, we learned how to make bibimbap. There are 3 things you need to make it. First, collect everything you need. Second, cook it. Third, share it. So, make bibimbap today. Thank you.